Hello guys, I'm Elvis. I'm in our packing workshop. This is the last spot of quality control. In addition to wrapping the products in rolls, cartons, or blister as required by customer. Most importantly, we will also carry out the last two tests here before storage. The first test is to test the appearance of our products to see whether they are up to standard. If there is no problem, the second lighting test will be carried out after rolling to check the electrical stability of the LED strip to confirm there are no problems such as virtual welding or dead beats. At the last, all of our finished products will come here, where we have our QC department doing the jobs such as FQC and OQC, and help our customers to inspect goods, assist in issuing inspection reports, and so on. In addition to giving suggestions on packing to help our customers save logistics costs, we will also test the reliability of packing to ensure that products can be safely delivered to our customers. With the creation of China and Shenzhen speed to send our products to every corner of the world from here. Finally, we are looking forward to your visit to our newly built 25,000 square meter of modern, automated, standardized production base. Looking forward to win-win cooperation with you.